We are today here at Technical Center at FläktGroup R&D, and I'm very glad to say that we have now installed FläktEdge here in our demo room here in Jönköping. FläktEdge, as you see here, is the brain of the ventilation system in your building, and it's the best way to visualize and monitor the performance of the ventilation system in your building. Entering FläktEdge, you first come to this overview of the building, which you can see here. Up to the left, you see the indoor air quality in an average in the building. You see the air handling unit. You see the forecast of the weather and the energy saving. So, starting from this overview page, you can, for example, entering the air handling unit. And normally, of course, where the air starts and where everything comes from is the air handling unit. This gives you a quick overview of the status of the air handling unit and the airflow pressure, etc. The key as a property owner is to easily visualize, monitor, and make sure that you have the good indoor climate in an energy efficient way. That's the reason why you have this room and layout view. For example, here in the demo center, we have 4 rooms installed to this FläktEdge. We have a room with the fan coils, and we have 3 rooms with shield beams. In this view, you can easily see the performance and the climate inside the different rooms and make sure that you have the right conditions and the system works according to the need. The strength of FläktEdge is that you, in an easy way, can see the performance of the building. And this is key as a property owner, of course. If you go to this room layout, you see, in this case, the 2 different floors which exist here on FläktEdge Demo Lab. On floor 1, we have 4 rooms with fan coils and 3 rooms with shield beams, the Lyra shield beam and the Vega shield beam. Here you see the performance, you see the air quality, the temperatures, and the supply air volume into each of the room in a very easy way. You can also use this view where you get a quick view of exactly this room and the conditions in a quick and easy way, both the temperature or CO2 or whatever you like to visualize. So a quick overview of the floor layout and the performance of the ventilation system. A key functionality in a ventilation system is to have balance between supply and extract. And this function is easy implemented in FläktEdge, where you summarize all supply devices and send the signal to the balance damper in order to have ventilation balance in the system. You have today seen the easiness of the system. FläktEdge, together with our product, is the best system on the market. Book your demo today, and you are more than welcome here to Jönköping.